So what do you get when a strong Swiss franc, a shiny metal, and a, stumbling tech index all walk into the same trading week? You get a cocktail that's equal parts safe haven drama, Fed fuel speculation, and, Silicon Valley nerves. Not exactly what you would call happy hour material, but definitely worth watching. So before you place your next trade, you would want to watch this. Hi there, I'm Franco Duplessis, your market analyst here at ATFX Africa. And this is your daily market brief. Today, we'll be diving into USD, Swiss franc, silver, and the Nasdaq 100. But first, let's quickly rewind and see how our calls from Friday played out. Let's kick things off with the cable, GBP USD. This one was like a trampoline at a gym session. First, it dropped 300 points from the resistance at 1.35, then bounced off the 1.345 support level with a 500-point rally. Proof that the cable, doesn't skip leg day. Then we had a look at gold. Now, gold was as clean as it gets. It broke above 3,435 and then sprinted towards 3,485, covering over 4,400 points. Gold just showing traders once again how a textbook breakout setup should look like. And then we had the Dow Jones, also known as US 30. So this one had a personality of a Monday morning meeting. It was stuck in a range between 45,700 and 45,300 and, didn't have much else to say. Now that we've covered the recap, let's get into today's markets and let's have a look at what setups are in store for us today. Kicking things off with USD CHF, which slipped to 0.7996, its lowest in a month. The greenback isn't exactly winning a popularity contest right now. With the DXY sliding below 98, traders are pricing in an 89% chance for a Fed rate cut in September. And sticky inflation plus strong household spending hasn't been enough to lift the dollar. Meanwhile, the Swiss franc is flexing its safe haven muscles. 4 straight days of gains, riding both global uncertainty and political drama over Trump's attempt to remove Fed Governor Lisa Cook. Nothing like a little legal thriller to spice up the Forex market. Looking at the chart, we are currently sitting at 0.7996, with USD CHF flirting with that psychological 0.8 level. If buyers don't show up soon, we could see a deeper slide towards fresh lows. On the flip side, a bounce would need to clear 0.803 initially and then 0.807 to show some, real conviction. For now, the trend feels like it belongs more in the franc's favor.
Why is fast trade execution a must? Because you're more likely to get the entry price you want and the exit price you want. Reliable, rapid, responsive. Join ATFX today and let's get you started.
Moving over to silver, which has surged above $40 an ounce, hitting its highest level since 2011. Traders, that's a 14-year throwback, and traders are loving it. Why? Well, because strong bets on a Fed rate cut later this month, plus demand for China's solar boom, even a court ruling against Trump reciprocal tariffs as all added fuel, reminding markets that uncertainty can often boost this specific precious metal. The breakout above $39 and then $40 was the green light for the bulls. Silver now trades around $40.45 an ounce, with momentum pointing higher. But here's the catch. The RSI is tapping the overbought level. That means a pullback towards $40 or even $39.60 wouldn't be shocking. Still, as long as dips hold those levels, bulls could aim for $41 or even $41.50. Think of it like climbing a ladder. Every rung matters. Finally, having a look at our tech index. The Nasdaq closed at 23,410, down 1.22% on Friday, way down by tech weakness. Dow alone dropped 9%. Despite that stumble, the index is still up 23% over the past year. Traders are torn, however. On one side, optimism about a Fed cut is propping up sentiment, but on the other hand, weaker PMI and consumer sentiment data show the economy isn't firing on all cylinders. And in the ongoing debate over Fed independence, thanks to Trump versus Lisa Cook, and we've got plenty of uncertainty ahead. Having a look at the charts, after hitting record highs earlier last month, the Nasdaq retreat looks like a classic breather. Key support currently sits around 23,350 and then 23,100, while resistance is near 23,500. A break below support could invite deeper corrections towards 22,500, and this is, well, a bit of a more long-term outlook. But for now, the market seems to be pausing before its next move. So here's the question. Will silver keep shining like it's auditioning for a comeback tour, or will the overbought signals force a pit stop? And can the Nasdaq shake off tech weakness and find its rhythm once again? Well, we'll find out as the week unfolds, and with that, we wrap up your daily market brief. Brought to you by ATFX Africa, the broker that gives you an edge in today's markets. Head over to ATFX Africa by clicking the link in the description and go and experience the difference for yourself. Traders, until next time, stay sharp, stay focused, and trade smart.